The LVAC 200 by Levoit is arguably the best budget cordless vacuum on Amazon, and the 20,000 per month sales on Amazon prove that. It comes in at just under $200, but you can often find it for sale cheaper than that. I've had the opportunity to test this out for the past week, as you can tell with all the dirt inside of the chamber. And inside today's video, we will be testing this out on carpet, linoleum, and my car. I'm excited that Levoit sent this to me to review because we get to deep dive in the performance and all of the specs. Starting with what comes in the box. You of course get the main body of the vacuum, an extender, 3 different attachments, a power cord, and a way to hang the vacuum on the wall. When it comes to features, we have a power button on the top and 3 different modes. On the slowest speed, expect roughly 50 minutes of use out of a full battery. And on speed 2, which is going to be your most usable speed, expect about 40 minutes on a full charge. And lastly, on the high mode, you're going to get around 12 minutes of runtime, which really isn't that useful, so I wouldn't recommend using that mode. You're also going to get LED lights on the main attachment of the vacuum, as well as what Levoit calls a tangle-resistant design. You can hit this button here at the top of the vacuum. That's going to unlock this piece of the vacuum. You could take it out and untangle it if you have hairs stuck to it. And of course, we will be testing that out inside this video. The attachments easily click into the handle of the vacuum, and it's nice to be able to use a brush or a wand. We also have the extension tube, which clicks into place, and then you could add your floor attachment to that, giving you a much longer reach. The battery is also going to be detachable, so that's nice to charge it off of the handle. And of course, if you want to empty out the dirt, you can press on this button, release the cap, and then dump all of the debris out of the chamber. You also have the pre-installed filters in here that Levoit recommends changing every 3 months. Now that we know a little bit about the LVAC 200, let's go ahead and test it out on different environments. For my first test, I'll be taking some cat litter, dumping it on this carpet here, spreading it out, and sweeping it up. This is level 1 on carpet. Surprisingly, it did a reasonably good job. Let's bump it up to level 2. That looks like it cleaned it up even better than level 1, so I would definitely recommend level 2 for most of your cleaning. And just for fun, here's level 3. There you have it, that is level 3. It seems to be the cleanest out of the 3 areas, level 1, level 2, level 3. But I think for most of your daily cleaning, level 2 is going to be plenty good enough. It might miss some of the dirt and debris, but it's much better than level 1, and it lasts a lot longer on the battery than level 3. Here is level 1 on linoleum. It did a reasonably good job. It missed a few of the pieces of the cat litter, but overall, I'm impressed. Here's level 2. There's absolutely no cat litter left from level 2. And finally, level 3. Level 3 did a decent job, but on linoleum, it actually shoots some of the pieces of the cat litter off in different directions, so I wouldn't recommend that strong of a level if you're doing it on hardwood floors or linoleum. Let's do the same test using this attachment. Here is speed number 1. Unfortunately, it's still not very effective, so here is speed number 2. It's doing a little bit better job, but let's see how speed number 3 reacts. Okay, now speed number 3 is absolutely picking up all of the dirt off of this carpet here. And there you have it. That's what it looks like after using speed number 3. In order to get these hairs off, you're probably going to want to use another attachment or a brush specifically meant to remove hair from carpet. And just to show you what I'm talking about, here's the main vacuum attachment on this hair. There you have it. It wasn't perfect, but it removed much more hair than those other attachments. After all that vacuuming, this is what the roller looks like. We have no hairs that are attached to it, so that's good news. The detangler actually works. After all of those tests, I can comfortably recommend the LVAC 200 as probably one of the best cordless vacuums for the price on Amazon. The tangle-free roller brush was something that really sold me on this vacuum. I love that I can eject the roller and clean it myself if I need to, which removes a lot of the tangling hassle. I will say, however, that I wouldn't recommend using this in speed 1. It just does not do a very good job of picking up dirt and debris. The sweet spot is going to be the medium level or speed number 2, which gives you roughly 40 minutes of battery on a full charge. You're still getting a pretty good amount of time to use that vacuum, and it's strong enough to pick up some dirt. Overall, I think that this is a great cordless stick vacuum if you're looking for a budget option. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos in both the home and the tech niches. If you're into that kind of stuff, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.